Hi, I'm Parbhu. I'm an oculofacial plastic surgeon here in Orlando, Florida, and I'm excited to bring a new procedure to the Central Florida area. It's called Embrace Radiofrequency, and it combines two different types of radiofrequency platforms.
Well, I've noticed over the years that my eyelids have been drooping, my upper eyelids, and it's harder for me to put makeup on. I'm constantly feeling like I'm having to do this to get the makeup off. I've noticed my skin drooping on my face, and I'm only in my mid to late 40s, so I've been seeing Dr. Parbhu for many years for other fillers, injectables, and so I thought, now that she's doing this, I might as well take advantage of it.
I love this because it is a non-surgical way to help rejuvenate the lower half of the face.
Every day when I wake up and look at the mirror, I'm looking a little tired, and I feel my face, and things that used to be here are now here.
So I have a few patients lined up today, and they vary in age groups, and so I'll be doing different things to their face. So when I see patients, I like to develop a customized treatment plan to see what problem areas the patient has, and then develop a plan from there.
I mean, it definitely affects me in a sense that, I remember myself when I was 18, with a very, beautiful tight face, and then now I look at myself in the mirror and, I see these areas that unfortunately I can't really pull up with any cream. And it takes longer to do makeup because I have to contour my face and spend more time doing this.
I chose Dr. Parbhu from intensive investigation of her background. She went to a very prestigious university and medical school. She was at the top of her class. I have talked to other people that have been her patients, and they've all been very, very satisfied. If I'm going to do this, I want to go to the best place.
The procedures that we're doing with the radiofrequency technology can address different parts of the face. So in the brows, it can do like a mild brow lift, and for patients with a little bit of heaviness of the upper eyelids that aren't ready for a surgical blepharoplasty, it can help tighten up the skin and decrease some of the fat. Also, patients that have bags under the lower eyelids but again aren't ready for a surgical lower lid blepharoplasty, this can tighten up the skin and melt some of the fat. And then in the mid-face, in the nasolabial folds, again, we can kind of blend that junction to decrease the lines that are there. And again, it helps build collagen. Now in the lower face and neck, under the chin, we can address fat and get rid of some of the fat that is located in what we call the submental area. And then the jowls is an area that I see a lot of patients concerned with, starting usually about the 40s. And this is where this system really works well.
It's with every passing week, I think I can see more and more the fact that I'm not looking quite as tired as I did, perpetually tired. And it's made me feel more confident and pleased when I look in the mirror. Some of my friends who actually don't know that I had this procedure were saying, wow, what happened to you?
After the procedure, I had no pain, a little bit of swelling, but absolutely no downtime.
I look at myself in the mirror, and I don't see the same aging face. It actually gives me hope. I'm more outgoing. I feel better and more confident, and it definitely had a profound impact on the way I feel about myself. I'm happier. My husband was commenting that I'm more cheerful.
Absolutely, I do, and that's why I come to Dr. Parbhu. She did a full face examination on me, and I told her my concerns, and she said, absolutely, let's work on certain areas, or, gave me the full facial review, and we came up with an agreement and a package together.
Dr. Parbhu is absolutely the best. I live in Miami, and I actually fly here or drive sometimes to see her because she's that amazing.